Dragonfly, the first of its kind rotorcraft to explore another world, will fly through various locations on Saturn's moon Titan and investigate the moon's habitability. Its type, a rotorcraft, launch next July 2028, target Titan, arrival late 2034. An airborne science mission like no other. Never before have humans planned an airborne science mission to another world like Dragonfly. Dragonfly rotorcraft will break the barriers for exploration of other planetary bodies instead of being limited to just the regions around its landing site. Dragonfly rotors will carry it up to 7 miles, about 155 kilometers across Titans during its planned 3.3-year mission, stopping to explore a variety of geologic interesting areas along the way. Includes dunes and Selk Crater. Dragonfly is expected to make one flight every 1 to 2 Titan day, which is called a TSOL, and last about 16 Earth days. Sample and surface. Flying several miles each flight through to the yellowish, smoggy haze of Titan nitrogen-rich atmosphere, Dragonfly will stop at a variety of geological sites where it will collect samples of surface material for analysis inside the rotorcraft by a suite of scientific instruments. The exploration of these diverse locations will help characterize the habitability of Titan's environment, investigate how far periodic chemistry has progressed, identify compounds of astrobiological interest, and even search for chemical indicators of water-based or hydrocarbon-based life. Dragonfly isn't a mission to detect life, it's a mission to investigate the chemistry that came before biology here on Earth. Zibby Turtles, principal investigator for Dragonfly and a planetary scientist at Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory. Mission background: New Frontiers. Dragonfly was selected in 2019 as the fourth mission of NASA's New Frontiers program, which conducts planetary science investigation using innovative and efficient approaches to answering unique science questions throughout our solar system. New Frontiers is managed for NASA's Science Mission Director in Washington by the Planetary Mission Program Office at NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center in Austinville, Alabama. Mission Team. Dragonfly is being designed and built under direction of Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, APL, in Laurel, Maryland, which messaged the mission for NASA's Elizabeth Zibby Turtle of APL is the principal investigator. The Dragonfly team includes key partners: NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenbelt, Maryland, Lockheed Martin Space in Linton, Colorado, NASA's Ames Research Center in California, Silicon Valley, NASA's Langley Research Center in Hampton, Virginia, Penn State University, in State College, Pennsylvania, Mainland Space Science System in San Diego, and Honeybee Robotics in Pasadena, California. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratories in Southern California, Central Nation, Kansas Central Nation, EDOTS in Paris, the German Aerospace Center, DLR, in Kongley, Germany, and JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency in Tokyo. This mission is going to be massive, and I'm hoping to see it. I might be in high school by now, but still, it would be fun to see this mission go on. And maybe, just maybe, when it comes, it'll be a masterpiece. I hope you like this video, and I'm doing better at my speech, and I usually read most of this from NASA's official website, so yeah. So, if you want to keep up to date, you do. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, share this with your friends, and goodbye. Bye-bye. And also, I forgot to mention this. This will actually be the first ever instance of us flying a drone on an outer planet in our system. While we've done it before with the Ingenuity rotorcopter, a part of the Perseverance mission, we have now trained a new generation where we can use nuclear power like plutonium RTGs, and this will give us an advantage as what we've learned from Ingenuity can be applied to Dragonfly. So this was just a side note I forgot to mention, but I think I mentioned it, but who cares? But anyways, bye-bye.